Chris Breezy. Oh my God, I'm the man. I'm so fly and I can dance. There's tattoos on my neck. I just FaceTime Kanye. I told him I'm his biggest fan, yeah. Got all these things in my DM. Yeah, I do. Hold up, got a kid. I can sing so well. Wonder if I can say the N-word. Wait, can I really say the N-word? What up, man? What up, man? Big ups, man. We are man. You yes, God. Cause I'm that.
You're rocking with DJ Charlie.
I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So hot it turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I drive his Ferrari and I'm like skin black.
I woke up and I'm little. It's real weak. I was staying perched up on his like that. Walking down the street and ain't nobody know my name. Whoa. Ain't no paparazzi flashing pictures, this is great. Whoa. Ain't nobody judging cause I'm black or my controversial past. I'ma go and see a movie and relax. Hey, I'm a blood but I can finally wear blue. Why's his mama calling all the time? Leave me alone. Wait, if I'm in body, Breezy is who? Oh, my daughter's in school. If I was Chris Brown, where would I be? What would I do?
I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So hot it turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this bitch sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I look at my soft dick with the light. It's my dream dick.
If I was in my body, where would I be? I'm trying to find myself like an introspective monk.
I'm balling on the court, oh my God, I can dunk. Snap a flick of my jump.
It's trending on Twitter. Now I'm at the club, I talk my way into getting in. I look up in the VIP, my goodness, there I am. I signal to him, let me in, but he won't let me in.
I don't know who that is.
Wait, who you think he is? Took a glass bottle, shatter it on the bouncer's head. Walk up to that mother.
Think it through for a sec. If you heard me, then you only heard it yourself.
Oh wait, I love myself.
That was the key, now it's put your back. I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So hot, it turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday.
Wait, what?
And now I'm in Ed Sheeran's body. It's way less cool than being Chris Brown was.
What again?
I'm DJ Khaled. Why am I yelling?